Okay, good morning, everybody. It wasn't recording there in the beginning. I'm making this video for a friend of mine back in Arkansas. We talk pretty much all the time, and that's really not as like glowing hot. Well, it's hot right there, but it's not like that fiery glow like that. Is the camera's just not like showing the rest of it. I don't know if I can get in there to. It's not. That's just where the air. I guess it's glowing that hot. The camera's just picking it up as being that hot, and it truly is in a way. Even though that's just a little bit of coal at the bottom of the deal, maybe 3/4 inch deep. Like it's almost out is what I'm trying to get at. But it burns intense like that because of the radiant heat that's coming backwards in from the walls all the way around. And here's what we're going to do is toss a couple little pieces of these boards right here, and we're going to toss them in there and see how long it takes to not just catch the wood on fire at the bottom, but like completely engulf the thing in flames. That's what the video is about. So hopefully I can keep this in frame the entire time and not drop the wood and not get burned trying to be silly doing this. Okay, here we go. Okay, did I get it? Yeah, I got it. Okay, they're up there. It catches almost instantly, but that's just what coals do. But now watch what happens to the rest of the wood. It'll fully, let me back up here. It'll fully just like get ripped all the way to the top. Yeah, that's a good example. Not sometimes it burns a lot hotter than that. When we were on the phone, it burned like instantly hotter, and it brought up, it sparked the conversation, is what I was saying. So I told him I'd make this video. And the video is only like 2 minutes long right now, and I should have mentally looked how long when I put them in, how long it took to completely, like consume the wood. But that's how it burns, and no, it doesn't have to lay flat or lay on the coals. It just turns the wood to gas. It's not really like burning it. It's not quite the same. But that's what gasification is all about. And then it consumes the actual fuel, and anything left over, about up in here, the top of the combustion chamber where it comes up through the thimble, and then there's about 10 inches of headspace where the insanely hot gas gets to the top and anything unburnt. But the inside of that flue is blue. I mean, it's or not blue. It turns like almost white, the near white, like an orange, the yellowish white ceramics turn. I've gotten that film. I tried to get that video while it was burning and stuff like that. But that's just a couple little pieces of wood, like I said, thrown on the coals, and I didn't want to make a crazy long video. This is for him, but just showing it off. Okay, talk to you then.